Here's Parada. Sends it over to Duncil. Duncil fakes. Duncil out of control.
That's the right word for it. It's really going nowhere. Kung hindi man siya natawagan ng offensive foul, traveling ang itatawag kay Jojo Duncil. So it's another opportunity for Pure Foods. We remember sila po ang nagtala ng pinakamalaking lead dito sa laban at 11 points. That's early in the first quarter.
7 points para kay Lanete. At dahan-dahang lumalayo ang Pure Foods dito, 83-77 with 5 minutes to go in the game. Here's Duncil, who committed a turnover moments ago. Duncil had to be creative against Ralimi. Bola pa rin ng Red Bull. Baguio for 3. Yes, sir!
I was about to say, hindi pa nakakascore. Ito si Cyrus Baguio in the fourth quarter. Suddenly tallying his third three-pointer. Total of 21. His first 3 points in the last quarter.
So team 3 para kay Baguio. That will cut down the deficit to 3. Here's Raimundo posting up Alvarez. And there's a swipe. Baguio ahead. Duncil for 2.
That's the right thing for Jojo Duncil. He need not force his shot. Dadating at dadating yan.
And it's just a 1-point game. 83-82. Pure Foods holding on to a precarious 1-point lead. There's the swipe. Baguio recognizing Duncil. Duncil all the way. We have a 1-point game here in the fourth quarter.